Hello, welcome to IT Expert YouTube video series. Today we are going to talk about top 34 JIRA interview questions and answers. Explain what is JIRA? JIRA is an issue tracking product or a software tool developed by Atlassian. Commonly used for bug tracking, project management and issue tracking. It is entirely based on these three aspects. Explain what is a workflow? Workflow is defined as a movement of the bug or issue through various stages during its lifecycle. Created or open. WIP means work in progress. Completed or closed. What can be referred as an issue in JIRA? In JIRA, an issue can be anything like a software bug, the project task, a help desk ticket, the leave request form. List out the source control programs with which it integrates. It integrates with source control programs such as CVS, Git, Subversion, ClearCase, Visual Source Safe, Mercurial, and Perforce. Why use JIRA? The reason behind using JIRA is upfront and fair licensing policy. Features that is not available elsewhere. Get latest update on the progress of projects. It run anywhere and recognized with many famous companies. Easily extensible and customizable. Is it possible to access JIRA Cloud site via a mobile device? Yes, it is possible to access JIRA Cloud site via a mobile device. You have to just use the URL of the JIRA Cloud site in your mobile web browser. Can you disable JIRA Mobile for the site? You can disable JIRA Mobile for the site, so that users can be unable to operate the desktop view of JIRA on their mobile device. JIRA Mobile comes as a system add-on and can be disabled anytime. Explain labeling and linking issue in JIRA. Labeling issue, it enables you to categorize an issue in a more informal way than assigning it to a component or version. You can then search issues according to label. Linking issue, this feature enables you to link an association between two issues on either on the same or different JIRA servers. Mention the types of reports generated in JIRA. JIRA offer reports that show statistics for projects, versions, people or other fields within issues. Various reports included with JIRA are Average Age Report, Pie Chart Report, Resolution Time Report, Recently Created Issues Report, Resolved versus Created Issues Report, Single Level Group by Report, Time Tracking Report, User Workload Report, Workload Pie Chart Report, etc. Explain what is cloning an issue? Cloning as issue allows you to create a duplicate of the original issue, so that many employees can work on a single issue within a single project. The clone issue can be connected to the original issue. A clone issue holds following the information: summary, description, assignee, environment, priority, issue type, security, reporter, components, etc. Mention what things are not included in cloned issue in JIRA. Time tracking, issue history, comments. Explain what is the use of Move Issue Wizard in JIRA. The Move Issue Wizard enables you to specify another project in your JIRA instance. Move Wizard permit you to change certain attributes of an issue like issue type, if your issue is a custom issue type and does not occur in your target project. You must choose a new issue type for your issue. Issue status. If you have assigned your issue as a custom issue status, it does not exist in your project. You must select a new issue status for your issue. Custom fields, if you have determined required custom fields for your issue, which do not occur in the target project, you must set values for them. How security setting is helpful in JIRA. JIRA security setting restricts the access to the issue to only that person who is allowed to work on the issue or a member of the chosen security level. Security level of an issue can be set either when the issue is created or when the issue is being edited. Explain how you can share an issue with other users. You can email an issue by using the share option in JIRA. You can also email other JIRA users a link to the issue by sharing the issue with them or by mentioning them in an issue's description or comment field. Explain how you can modify multiple bulk issues. To modify multiple bulk issues, you can use Bulk Change option from the Tools menu of the Navigator. All the issues on the current page can be selected for the bulk operation. The following list details the available bulk operations like workflow transition, delete, move, edit. Explain how you can disable mail notification for bulk operations. To disable mail notification for a particular bulk operations, you have to deselect the Send Notification checkbox in the bulk operation wizard. What does an issue change history include? Issue change history includes deletion of a comment, deletion of a work log, creation or deletion of an issue link, attachment of a file, changes to an issue field. Explain what is the 3-color indicates tracking times or duration for an issue. 3-color will be displayed representing the amount of time spent behind the issue. Original estimate blue, the amount of time originally estimated to resolve the issue. Remaining estimate orange, the remaining amount of time left to resolve the issue. Time span or logged green, the amount of time spent so far while resolving the issue. Mention some of the popular add-ons for JIRA. Some popular add-ons for JIRA include Suites Utilities for JIRA, Script Runner for JIRA, Zephyr for JIRA Test Management, JIRA Toolkit Plugin, Atlassian REST API Browser, Portfolio for JIRA, JIRA Miscellaneous Workflow Extensions, Tempo Timesheets for JIRA, JIRA Charting Plugin. Mention what is schemes in JIRA. Schemes are a major part of JIRA configuration. It is a collection of configured values that can be used by one or more JIRA project. For instance, notification schemes, permission scheme, issue type scheme, and so on. There are total 7 types of schemes. Mention what can be configured for JIRA project and issue type. You can configure following things for each pair of an issue type and JIRA project. The order of custom fields appears on an issue screen. Workflow of an issue including the statuses. Which custom fields and system an issue can use. Project accessibility. Permissions for what a user can do with an issue. Versions and components available for an issue. Mention is it possible to get backup your JIRA Cloud data? In JIRA, you can take backup of your JIRA Cloud data using Backup Manager. But only one backup file is stored at a time. The existing backup is overwritten by new ones. Mention what data can be backed up. The backup data includes attachments if selected, users and their group settings, avatars, issues. Mention some useful tips on JIRA workflow. As such, statuses are global objects in JIRA. Changing the name of the status on one workflow will change the status on all workflows that use that status. Hover over a status or transition to see the relevant transition labels. One cannot clone transitions in the Workflow Designer. In the Workflow Designer, one cannot create annotations. Directly you cannot set the issue, editable property. Mention what are the limitations when editing an active workflow. If a workflow is active, you cannot edit the workflow name, only the description. You cannot delete the workflow steps. A step-associated status cannot be edited. You cannot add any new outgoing transition if a step has no outgoing transitions. Global transitions are not considered. A step ID cannot be changed. In JIRA workflow, is it possible to transition an issue back to its previous status? Practically, it is not possible to transition an issue back to its previous status. However, you can use on-hold feature to transition an issue back to its previous status. Here are the steps. In workflow, create a global transition to the on-hold status. Now from on-hold status, create another transition to every other status you want to come back to. Since the transition names cannot be the same, just add a blank space at the end of it. Now you do not want the status transition from the on-hold done to on-hold, so you will hide the other status on hold by adding the value field condition on the global transition. Mention what is the role of validators in JIRA? The validators in JIRA checks that any input made to the transition is valid before the transition is performed. If a validator fails, the issue will not progress to the destination status of the transition. Mention what types of post functions are carried out after the transition is executed. Types of post functions carried out after transition is executed includes adding a comment to an issue, generating change history for an issue, updating an issue's fields, generating an event to trigger email notifications. What is an event in JIRA? The events are classified into a system event JIRA-defined events, and custom event user-defined events. An event describes the status, the default template and the notification scheme and workflow transition post function associations for the event. What is audit log? Under audit log, you can see all the details about the issue created, and the changes made in the issues. For Agile project, how user stories in JIRA are created. For Agile project to create user stories in JIRA, follow below steps. Issue type epic and issue type, story link to it. In order to do so, in the Create Issue page, go to Configure Fields and select Epic Link field to be included in the issue creation screen. Or you can have a product backlog by creating a main user story and having various subtasks under it. Mention what is an issue collector? An issue collector enables you to easily embed a JIRA feedback form into your own website. This helps website visitors to log issues into JIRA through our website. To use JIRA feedback form, visitors to our website do not need a user account in JIRA. Mention the difference between Bugzilla and JIRA. Bugzilla JIRA. It is an open source. It is a commercial tool. Using Bugzilla might be a little complicated for few due to grouping users and granting permissions. For some, using JIRA would be more convenient than Bugzilla. Bugzilla allows you to show or hide the whole custom field or specific values based on the value of some other field. JIRA enables conditional configuration based only on type fields and project. Bugzilla's has a powerful advanced search option. JIRA lacks advanced level search options. JIRA has flexible JQL language JIRA query language. It enables you to build arbitrary Boolean expressions. Unlike JIRA, Bugzilla allows users select the initial status of a new issue. Unlike Bugzilla, JIRA enables you to define multiple workflows which are applied based on the issue's project and type. Bugzilla has only one link type blocks or depends and a bug ID custom field. JIRA has configurable link types with user-defined semantics. JIRA enables to link an issue to any other entity outside JIRA. Explain how you can modify multiple bulk issues. You can modify multiple bulk issues by using option bulk change option. Any question? Any comment? Thank you for watching this video. We provide hands-on training with labs, homework, group projects. Prepare you for the certification. Provide real projects. Internship opportunities. Support you and resume LinkedIn. Staffing support. Provide tech references. In-person online class. Class retake options and more. Call us at 847-350-9034 for your free career consultation meeting. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest videos.